Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install golang 1.20, that is Go programming language 1.20 on Rocky Linux 8 operating system. So currently my Rocky Linux 8.7 DVD ISO file contains golang 1.18 only. So I am going to install higher version of Go. So I have manually downloaded from the internet. So this is the binary Go 1.20.3 as a tar.gzip file for Linux operating system. So I am going to extract the content of this zip archive. Okay, so let me extract the content to /opt directory. Okay, let me extract to /opt directory. Okay, Go. I am renaming the Go directory to Go 1.20. So I may install multiple versions of the Go in same machine. So I am renaming the directory for my convenience. So this is the Go 1.20 directory structure, and bin directory contains some executable. So now next step, what I am going to do, I am going to add Go 1.20 bin directory to the bash profile of the current user. Okay, I am going to add the Go 1.20 bin directory to the bash profile settings. I am appending the path to the Linux path variable so that Go 1.20 will be available in the terminal or in command line. Okay, let me open the terminal. Source.bash_profile. So this will load the latest profile settings. No need to log off or reboot. So Go version, I can able to see Go 1.20.3, which means that I can able to run Go 1.20 commands. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to execute the sample program. So this is sample program already there. So I am going to run this sample program. Go run welcome.go. Yes, I can able to execute the sample program. Okay, now what is the problem here is, let me show you one thing. So there are multiple users, okay, in my machine. So there are 2 users in my machine. Currently only Oracle can execute Golang 1.20 programs. User Ramanathan unable to execute Golang 1.20 because Golang is not configured for multiple users. So I am deleting the bash profile settings for the current user called Oracle. Next, what I am going to do, I am going to make it Golang 1.20 available globally to the all the users in this machine. Okay, so what I am doing, switch as a root user in the terminal, cd/etc/profile.d. So here I am creating one shell script file, okay, golang.sh. Okay, so I am adding one path variable here. So I am appending the Go 1.20 bin directory to this Linux path variable so that Go 1.20 Golang 1.20 will be available to the all the users in this machine. So this golang.sh shell script will be executed whenever the users log in, and this settings will be available globally to all users. Okay, now I am logging off current user. Next I am going to log in as a user called Ramanathan. Okay, now let us see what is going to happen. Go version, yes, I can able to run the Go 1.20 command. Let me run the sample program as another user. Okay, Go run welcome.go. Yes, I can able to execute the sample program as another user called Ramanathan. So which means that Golang 1.20 is now Golang 1.20 available globally to all the users in this machine. Okay, let me confirm once again for user Oracle. Yes, successful. So golang 1.20 installation on Rocky Linux 8 operating system from tar.gzip file is successful.